Hey everybody, I'm Dave Jones with Dave Jones Realty, and today I'm reaching out about a unique opportunity. As you may know, we have this awesome moving truck behind us, which is out almost 340 days a year. We got to the point now with our 155 agents that it is always booked. So we are now adding a second moving truck, and we are opening it up for sponsorships. We are also rewrapping the first moving truck. So now, because it's been out so much and been used so much, it needs a refresh. So the sponsorships behind me, you will see we have a spot on it for you. With this, you will get your company in your name in front of all of our clients. You will be included every time we have an event. We will put a link to your company. We will put you in our monthly newsletters. And of course, you will be all over the great state of Connecticut. We also use this for a lot of donation and community involvement. You'll see it's been at everything from golf tournaments to Toys for Tots and everything in between. Our truck is always there helping the community. We do bottle and can drives, clothing drives, Girl Scout cookie deliveries, just about everything. We offer it for free to our community as well. So it's a great way to get your company and your name in front of everybody. And now with 2 trucks, it's gonna be a huge opportunity. So please look through the included information. If you have any questions, reach out, 203-910-2638. I'm sending this only to the people that I recommend, and I'd like to have you be a part of this. If it's not for you, no hard feelings. We'll still continue to send you business, but we hope we can have you on the back of the truck. Talk to you soon.